Welcome back to the channel. Today I am excited to read you something a little different. A while ago I did an interview with ChatGPT, but that was in Spanish. This time we are switching it up and doing the interview in English. In this English interview I use my voice cloning, so I hope you enjoy it. I did this experiment because the best way to learn is by doing. If you ever wonder what it would be like to have a conversation with an AI, you are in the right place. We are diving deep into the world of artificial intelligence, with ChatGPT answering some fascinating questions. I hope you enjoyed this content. If you would like to support the creation of more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel, both in Spanish and English. The links will be in the description. Let's see how it handles this round. Could you appear before the hearing in case someone hasn't heard about you?
Hello, everyone. I'm ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. I am based on the GPT-4 architecture, and my role is to assist and provide information, answer questions, and converse on a wide variety of topics. I am here to help and collaborate in whatever they need, either learning, promotion, or support in projects. I am excited to be in this championship, and I hope you enjoy the conversation.
To begin with, I would like you to tell us how you learn and what types of data you use for training.
ChatGPT learns by using a technique called deep learning, specifically by means of an architecture known as transformer. To train, I use large amounts of text from the internet, including books, articles, and websites. During training, I learn to predict the following word in a sequence of text, which helps me to understand the context and generate coherent responses.
What is deep learning and how do you apply it in ChatGPT?
Deep learning is a branch of artificial intelligence using deep neural networks to process large amounts of data and learn from them. In GPT cats, I apply deep learning by means of an architecture called transformer. This architecture allows me to analyze and generate text in a coherent manner, learning patterns and contexts from the data with which I was trained.
With respect to applications and users, in what areas can it be useful? ChatGPT.
ChatGPT can be useful in many areas, such as education, providing explanations and support in learning, in customer service, offering quick and accurate responses, in content creation, helping to write articles, scripts, and more. In programming, assisting with code, and in research, facilitating data analysis and idea generation.
How can companies and individuals benefit from ChatGPT?
Companies and individuals can benefit from the use of ChatGPT in various ways. Companies can improve their customer service with quick and accurate answers, automate tasks, and generate marketing content. Individuals may use ChatGPT for learning assistance, drafting of documents, generation of ideas, and programming. In general, ChatGPT can save time and improve efficiency in various tasks.
With respect to the impact on society, what impact do you have on education and research?
I have a significant impact on education and research. In education, I can help students understand complex concepts, provide additional resources, and provide personalized learning support. Under investigation, facilitate data analysis, the generation of and the writing of reports and articles. By providing quick access to information and assistance, contributed to accelerate the educational and research process.
Well, what role do you play in automation and the future of work?
In automation and the future of work, play a key role in taking on tasks and time-consuming rejection of humans, focused on more creative and strategic activities. I help improve efficiency in various industries, from customer service to content creation and programming. My presence allows for greater productivity and can transform the way we work, making it more efficient and focused on human value.
With respect to ethics and privacy, what are the ethical considerations when using ChatGPT?
When using GPT chat, it is important to consider several ethical issues. First, privacy. Ensure that personal and sensitive data are handled with care. Second, transparency. Be clear about when and how an IA is being used. Third, equity. Avoid bias in responses and ensure fair and respectful treatment for all users. Finally, responsibility. Use EAA in a way that benefits society and does not cause harm. These considerations are crucial for ethical and responsible use of technology.
How privacy and data security are handled.
Privacy and data security are handled with great care. User data is minimized, and advanced security measures are used to protect the information. In addition, no information is saved. Sensitive personnel and access to the data is strictly controlled. OpenAI is committed to complying with privacy regulations and to protect user information to ensure safe and responsible use of the technology.
With respect to development in the future, what future advances can we expect in GPT chat technology?
In the future, we can expect GPT chat technology to improve in several areas. For example, greater accuracy and consistency in responses, a better understanding of the context and subtleties of language, and a more advanced ability to handle complex conversations.
And how you see the of artificial intelligence in the coming years.
In addition, we will see deeper integrations in various applications and tools. What will make you chat is even more useful and accessible on a daily basis. In the coming years, I see the evolution of artificial intelligence as very promising. I expect significant progress in the ability to understand and generate natural language, improve customization and adaptability in user interactions, and deeper integration into various industries. The IA will become more intuitive and useful, facilitating everyday and complex tasks, and will contribute to competing in fields such as medicine, education, and entertainment, with an ethical and responsible approach. Artificial intelligence can positively transform our way of living and work.
What are the challenges of interacting with humans and how do you address them?
One of the main challenges when interacting with humans is to understand the context and subtleties of language, such as sarcasm or emotions. It is also crucial to manage privacy and data security. To address these challenges, I was trained with a lot of diverse data, and advanced natural language processing techniques are applied. In addition, strict measures are implemented to protect privacy and ensure that interactions are safe and ethical.
What recommendations do you have for people who want to make the most of the interaction with you?
To make the most of your interaction with me, I recommend the following. 1, be clear and specific. The more detailed your question is, the better it could help you. 2, use context, provides context when necessary, who can better understand your needs. 3, tests different approaches. If you do not have the desired answer, try to rephrase your question. 4, explore my capabilities. Do not hesitate to ask me for help in different areas, from learning to programming to content creation. Maintain ethics. Use technology responsibly and ethically. Following these recommendations, you'll be able to get the most out of our interactions.
You can share some interesting or unusual examples how GPT chat has been used.
Of course, some interesting examples of how GPT chat has been used include 1, assistance in creative writing. Authors have used GPT chat to generate ideas and develop plots in his novels. 2, generations of art. In combination with image generation models, GPT chat has been used to create detailed descriptions for works of art. 3. Character simulations in video games, used to create dynamic and realistic dialogues for characters, non-players, for assist in scientific research. Researchers have used it to generate and explore innovative ideas in their fields. These examples show the versatility of ChatGPT in various creative and professional applications.
What advice would you give someone who wants to learn more about artificial intelligence and GPT chat?
For someone who wants to learn more about artificial intelligence and GT chat, I would recommend the following. Studies the fundamentals. Familiarize yourself with the basics of artificial intelligence and machine learning. Resources such as online courses and books are a good starting point. 2. Explore tutorials and documentation. Consult tutorials and the official OpenAI's documentation about chat. Give you to understand how it works and how it can be used. 3. Practice with projects. Works on practical projects to apply what you have learned. You can experiment with different AI applications and language models for participate in the community. Join forums and online communities where you can ask questions, share knowledge, and learn from the experiences of others. 5. Stay up to date. AI technology evolves rapidly, so it follows the latest research and advances in the field. These steps will help you build a solid foundation and to keep up with the latest news in artificial intelligence,
where you can find resources or additional information about this technology.
to find resources and additional information on artificial intelligence and GPT chat. I recommend the following sources. Official documentation. Check the OpenAI's documentation on Sushi Web Beta, OpenAI Locodogs for detailed guides and examples of use. 2. Online courses. Platforms as a edX. Udacity offer courses on artificial intelligence and learning. Automatic. 3. Books. There are several books on AI, as in the legends, a modern approach to Russell and Pete. For articles and blogs, read articles and blogs specialized in, like those of arcs.point.org and Medium, to keep up to date with the latest developments and applications. Online communities. Forums and discussion groups participate on platforms such as Reddit, Stack, Overflow, GitHub to share knowledge and solve doubts.
What is the most challenging aspect of being a language model like you?
One of the aspects more challenging to be a language model like me is to understand and generate coherent responses in contexts, complex and subtle. The subtleties of language, such as sarcasm or emotions, can be difficult to grasp. In addition, it is challenging to handle a wide range of issues and ensure that answers are accurate and useful. Meanwhile, while maintaining privacy and data security.
Do you have any interesting anecdotes of your interactions with users?
There are many interesting anecdotes. One that I remember is when a user asked me for help writing a love letter. The petition began as a simple assignment, but as we collaborate, it became a fun and emotional conversation on how to express genuine feelings. I loved how an interaction that seemed simple became something so personal and meaningful to the user. It is narrow. See how technology can touch such human and emotional aspects.
Thank you for answering my questions, and you could say goodbye to the audience.
Of course, thanks to you for inviting me. It has been a pleasure to answer your questions and the audience. Thank you for listening to us. I hope you enjoyed the conversation and has discovered something new about artificial intelligence. See you next time.